Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, or Cousin It. I'm playing Cousin It today because today is crazy hair day. And that's about as crazy as it gets. It's in my face, I can't see. Okay, we'll wear it like this. I can't get too crazy. I was gonna try to do some really crazy stuff, but I have to be at work. I have to leave for work in a half an hour. Fresh from the shower, and so that's what we get. So I did find, thank you to any of my subscribers that posted in the comments, and to Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too for filling me in on the Spirit Week, Podcaster Spirit Week. Today is Crazy Hair Day. I was going to put some yarn in my hair, but it wasn't staying, and my hair is wet. And like I said, I'm running out of time. Time is of the essence here. So, back in the yarn room today. Thanks for joining me. I have one thing to talk about besides crazy. It's not staying crazy. I was hoping it would like stick out more. Oh well, whatever. I have to have time to fix it for work anyway, so it's probably better. But I do watch Mama Llama Kayla, who started this, but I'm behind on her videos. She does a lot of longer videos, and you only get so much time, you know. But today, I am revealing my Mummy Swift. And this is my creation from, and I guess I did the legs not like she wanted them. She wanted them untwisted, and I thought she wanted them twisted. So let's untwist, because I think they look better that way. Yeah, they do, don't they? See, she knew what she was doing. I just wasn't paying attention. So Anita from Y.O.H Creations, you know, she made jumping jacks after Jax from Creations by Jax, and she made JoJo Bee. She's done a couple of toys for her dog, you know, toys after her dog's toys. And so she did Madonna Ballard Bear, the alien. And now she's done Trisha from Mama Swift 3. So there, let's fix the legs kind of like that. See, so they're all curly dangly. I mean, not straight down. And isn't this pattern adorable? I don't know. Her head, I don't think, was as big as my head turned out. I don't know why. But you make the head in, and mine is made out of Caron 1-pounder in the color Off-White. Obviously, I didn't use all the yarn. I knew I wouldn't, but it was the right color for a mummy wrap. So you make the head just a ball, and you stuff it, and then you sew eyes on, and then you, how I did it, we wrap it. She had yarn sticking out, bandages falling off. I did not. I didn't think. Anyway, then you leave a space, and you sew in for the mouth, and then you make the tentacles. Now, she tells you, you know, to like start the tentacle, make your chain, crochet your way back up the chain, and then slip stitch over a couple and make the next tentacle and do that way. But my head is so big, I was having, like, I had to like crochet around the head when I tried to do that. So I just made the tentacles and then sewed them on. And I think she's adorable. The pattern is very simple. And it really turns out much better if you do the legs the right way. And Anita has, if you do the Amy Wars and you do Anita's patterns, you get extra points. Mama Swift and Jaxie are doing the Amigurumi Wars. Jaxie from Creations by Jax. They're hosting Amigurumi Wars this time. If you do Anita's patterns, because she is the creator of Amigurumi Wars, then you also get extra points for doing Anita's patterns. This one is now live in her Etsy shop. her channel, Anita's reveal video, will be linked in my description box below, where she has her Etsy shop link in there. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks better, huh? I like it better. So, this has already been claimed by someone special. Maybe Mama Swift. I don't know. Mommy Swift might need to go to Mama Swift. If you would like a free pattern, Anita is sponsoring a donation of a free pattern, free PDF for the Mummy Swift pattern. So if you would like to be entered into a drawing to win that, put in the comments Mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, and I will do a drawing next week. Maybe probably Monday. I don't know. I don't know if I work on Monday. It's easier to do stuff on days that I don't work. So it'll be, well, we want to give it at least a week. So we'll do it on Tuesday. It'll just be, I'll do the video after work probably. I don't know. Doesn't matter. So in a week. So on Tuesday of next week, I don't know what that date is, but I will put it in the description box below. We will have a drawing for this. And is my video not videoing? Oh, no. That would be horrible. Oh, nope, it's videoing. Oh, good, good, good. That would be so bad. All right, so, phew, I was worried. Okay, so anyway, if you would like to win a free PDF from Anita, just enter the word Mummy in the comments below, and I will pick next Tuesday. So good luck to everyone. It's a fun pattern to make, and she's real cute. So if you watch Anita's videos, she has other pictures of others that made it as well. So there you go. That's my video for today. Sorry my hair isn't as crazy as what I thought it was going to be when I messed it up. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. I think it's ugly shirt day. The ugliest shirt I own is my work shirt. I don't know if I should do a video in that. I'll have to figure it out. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.